Hey everyone, in this latest Locofy update, we are bringing you GitHub Pages deployment and Expo Snack integration. Sync your designs to the Locofy builder to view and export your code. In the builder, simply choose the Deploy to GitHub Pages option and connect your account with a few clicks. You can now deploy your project directly to GitHub Pages and view your live application. For mobile apps, you can now sync your designs and deploy to Expo Snack. Simply connect your Expo account and push your mobile app to your Snack. This means that you no longer have to install the app development environment and can simply preview your app on the web with zero setup. With more deployment options, we look forward to seeing what you'll build and launch faster with Locofy.